Welcome to Laundromat News Today. I am your anchor, Jordan Berry, and we are going to go around the world talking all things laundromats. And I feel like it's only appropriate to start by congratulating the Los Angeles Dodgers for winning the World Series, who, I mean, I'm sure they produce a lot of laundry in their endeavors, so it's related. But anyways, huge shout out to the Dodgers. Hometown heroes over there. Okay, let's get into the laundromat stuff here. Listen, I bet you didn't know that laundromats are superstar makers. That's right, we are superstar makers. Famous comedian and actress Ali Wong, turns out got her start, did her first ever stand-up in a cafe that was half cafe, half laundromat. So listen, if you've got aspirations of being a movie star, a comedian, TV star, famous YouTuber, you name it, laundromats are the place to get started, I'm pretty sure. But just wanted to share that as a fun little fact I ran across this week. I wanted to also highlight the Tampa Bay Rays, who have partnered with the Laundry Project to provide a whole bunch of free laundry at A&W Laundromat in Saint Petersburg. And this is an opportunity for them to serve a community that's been, hit recently with storms and all kinds of stuff going on over there. So huge shout out to the Laundry Project and the Tampa Bay Rays. Laundry Project's been around since 2008. It's cleaned more than 2.9 million pounds of laundry for nearly 29,000 families across 66 cities and 21 states. So doing big stuff over there. Once again, just highlighting laundromats. You got an opportunity to do a lot of good there. Not to say you have to give away all your free laundry and all that stuff, but you've got an opportunity to make an impact. And even organizations such as a Major League Baseball team will acknowledge that and partner with you in the right circumstances. Okay, here is this is incredible. I love this idea, and I think more of us should probably just do this exact thing. Just hit Control-C, Control-V, copy paste it right onto your laundromat. There's a laundromat in Katong Mall, which is letting DJs come in and spin the tracks while they do laundry. They give the DJs free laundry. They can bring a thumb drive, plug it into their turntable, and just spin some tracks, play some music while their laundry goes. And apparently it's been a huge hit. Been a real big hit for the DJs, drawing a crowd there. The laundromat's getting a lot of publicity because these DJs are posting videos and of their, of them spinning in the laundromat and shouting it out. And then a lot of customers are coming through. So great idea. And it just makes me think, like, so many of us we're in the business, right? We love laundromats. That's what we do. But if you can find a way to pair it with something else that you love, sometimes you can just create your own little niche, like a DJ laundromat, or a comedy show laundromat, there and create a huge hit and something that gets a whole lot of attention. So something to think about. Loved that idea. Let's just skip that one. Listen, we got to shout out Laundrolab franchise over there. They're opening up grand opening in Houston. That is happening on, I guess the laundromat's been open since May, but they are doing Friday, November 8th. I was looking for the date. Friday, November 8th, they're doing a grand opening there in Houston. They got another grand opening in Pontiac, Michigan, on November 29th. Is this old? Oh, this might be an old. This is an old one. All right. Well, congratulations to sorry, I don't know how that one snuck in there. It snuck past me. I didn't look at the date of the publication here, but Pontiac, Michigan has been going for 11 months. So let's get an update. If you're listening to this right now and you're Leslie, oh man, their last name's tough. Leslie and Walter Zarnecki with the C. If you guys are out there listening to this, we want an update on how it's been going for the last 11 months. Congratulations to you. Wanted to point out that there is, in China, a lot of people are using laundromats, go figure, to smuggle cryptocurrency around. Cryptocurrency has been banned, and they're using public meetup places like laundromats to smuggle cryptocurrency around. So, once again, the butt of the laundering money jokes comes right back squarely on us. Maybe we should stop deserving it. I don't know. But just wanted to point that out. And a huge congratulations as we wrap this thing up to Newcastle a new laundry castle that won the 2024 Quality Business Award for the best laundromat out there in Brentwood, New York. So congrats to them. New Laundry Castle. I keep wanting to say Newcastle Laundry. New Laundry Castle, which is a sweet name. Sorry, I keep butchering it. Congrats to you guys for running an awesome business. To the rest of us, something to aspire to. Someday, maybe we can win an award for the best laundromat out there. So keep up the good work. That is what's going on in the laundromat world today. And we'll see you again next week with the latest breaking news. And apparently, Patrick, no jokes, because I forgot again. Maybe next week. I don't know. We'll see.